Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to convert a non-terminating repeating decimal into P by Q form. I'll give you total process as well as I will discuss the shortcut method for this. Okay, and let us see first how to convert this into P by Q in a full process, total process. Okay, here let us take whatever is given to you. Let us take it as X. That is a 1.27 bar. Bar is there for 27. So let us write this one. So this whatever is having bar that will repeat, so let us take 1.272727 and so on, so make it as equation 1. Let us make it equation 1. Now since the bar is there for two digits, let's multiply this x with 100. So you can write multiply equation 1 with 100. So what will get 100x is equals to, so whenever we do multiplication, point will move to the right side. So since 100 is there, two zeros are there, two digits right side, that will become how much? 127. This came here now, 2727 and so on. This is equation 2. So let us subtract first equation from the second. So what do we get? Let us write this. 100x is equals to 127.2727 and so on, and x is equals to 1.2727 and so on. So what do we get if you subtract 100 minus x? Will get 99x is equals to, let us do from the right side. So 0, these are all zeros, right? 0 point 127 minus 1 will get a 126. So what you are getting after decimal point, if we are having zeros, you can ignore that, we can ignore that. So we are getting 126 divided by 99. If simplification is possible, you can do the simplification, otherwise you can leave like that only. Here it is possible, so you can do with the 3 table, 3 fours and 3 twos and here 3 and 3. So what we are getting? 42 divided by 33. So x is equals to 42 by 33. What is x? We assumed 1.27. So you can write therefore 1.27 bar is equals to 42 divided by 33. Now let us see the shortcut for this. In without doing this total process, how to get the answer? See, 1.27 bar is given for 2 and 7. So whenever it is given, listen carefully. So take total number. Let us take total 127 in the numerator. Total number minus which do not have bar. See, which do not have bar is having only one. So you can write 1 here, divided by how many digits are having bar. That many nines you have to take. So since two digits are having bar, so I have taken two nines. So how much I am getting here? 126 divided by 99. See, same answer. Whatever we are getting previously, we got same answer before simplification done. So we can do simplification here also. 3 table. So same answer. Compulsory you'll get the same answer using this shortcut. Okay. We'll see one more problem. Let us see one simple question. 10.5 bar is there only for one digit. So let us take this problem, same process. Let us take it as x is equals to 10.5 bar. So we can write x is equals to 10 point, bar is there for 5, so 5 will repeat 5 5 5 and so on. So let us take it as equation 1. Now what we have to do? Multiply equation 1 by how much? 10 here, because if it is having a bar for two digits, we have taken 100. Since a bar is there for only one digit, we are multiplying with simple 10. So what we it will become? So point will move right side to the one step right side it will move. So how much are getting? 10 into x is equals to 105. Point will come here, 105.555. You can take equation 2. Same process again, equation 2 minus 1. So that is 10x is equals to 105.555 and so on. X is equals to 10.555 and so on. So what you're getting? So this will become zeros right side and a point. So 105 minus 10 will get how much? 95 equals to 9x. 5 minus 0 like that. Now how much are getting? 9x is equals to 95. So after the decimal point, if you are having zeros, we'll ignore that. X is equals to 95 divided by 9. What is x we have taken? Therefore that is a 10.5 bar equals to 95 by 9. Again, let us check it with the shortcut method. So that is a 10.5 bar. As discussed, take total number, that is a 105 total number, minus which do not have bar, take it as a 10, take that, and how many digits are having bar, that many nines you have to take. So 105 minus 10, again we'll get the same answer, that is 95 by 9. So simplification is not possible, we can leave like that only. We'll discuss one more question where after the decimal point, here two digits are there, two are having bar. Here one digit is there, after decimal point one digit is having bar. Suppose after the decimal point, like suppose 5.27 is there, bar is there only for one digit. Suppose after decimal point, whatever the digits are there, they are having bar here. If it is not having total digits, or having not having the bar, how to do that? We'll see one question, very important problem, how to convert 5.27, bar is there only for 7. So how to convert this case, and we'll see the shortcut also as well. So let us see the total process first. Same assume as x first, the first step, that is 5.27, bar is there only for 7. So x will become 5.2777 and so on, make it as equation 1. Same, next what will get, since bar is there only for one digit, so let's multiply with 100 only, sorry, 10 only. So what do we get, that is 10x is equals to, point will move after 2, that is 52.777 and so on, equation 2. So if you subtract first equation from the second equation, that is right, 10x is equals to 52.777 and so on, and x is equals to 5.277 and so on. So what do we get? Left side it will be 9x only. Coming to the right side, previously we got all the zeros here. After the decimal point we got all the zeros, but we are getting some number here. Okay, next 52 minus 5 will get 47. So how much we are getting? 9x is equals to 47.5 we got. 9x is equals to, so if you remove the decimal point, 475 divided by, instead of decimal point we'll take 1. After the decimal point, how many digits are there, that many zeros will take. So let us take x is equals to 475 divided by 90. So if the simplification is possible, we'll do that, and this is the answer here. So therefore, what is this x? 5.27. So 5.27, bar is there for only 7, is equals to 475 divided by 90. So this is the answer we got. Now let us see the shortcut for this. Listen carefully. 5.27 bar. So let us take total number as discussed. 527 total number, minus which do not have bar, we have to subtract, that is 52 total. For 5 also bar not there, 2 also not there totally, and divided by what we discussed, how many digits are having bar, that many nines will take. And what about after the decimal point, if it is a digit without bar, if it is having a digit without bar, that many zeros we have to include. Remember this special case. So total number minus whatever the digits which do not have bar, we will subtract, divided by how many digits are having bar, that many nines will take after the decimal point. Sorry, if it is not having bar, so we'll take 0. So what do we get, if you subtract this, we'll get 475 divided by 90. You can check it, same answer will get, compulsory will get the same answer. So instead of doing this total process, in 2 steps only we got the answer. Okay, thank you.